Everybody doing today? Well, it's Memorial Day weekend, and this is Barry back with you for another entire sneeze fit, if you're up for it. And that was like 5. I've been sitting here for a while waiting for it to start. I knew it was coming, I can always tell, but then I don't know why I'm sneezing into an old shirt. That's kind of sexy, maybe. Cool. I don't know. Oh, I'm not ready for this. I sneezed this morning. I could... Anyways, it's very nice out today, 80 degrees, or 81. And I'm in my bedroom right now. And excuse me. Oh, but I want to say I love all the views and the subscriptions and the I mean, it's thousands of views. It's so good. And because I have the fetish too, I like to watch them so I can understand what you guys do. I can. So there's a trick that I forgot about since I've been posting these videos where I can cause a sneeze. Which is ridiculous. Why would I want to cause one when there's a 50 or 100 handed to me, right? But I can do one, and it might cause doubles and triples. I was thinking that, because last time I did pepper. So, here's the trick. Oh, I haven't even started. Okay. It's just right above my lip. I just scratched my upper lip. Oh. Ow. Well, that was kind of interesting. I got 5. Starting to get dizzy already. Different days it's like very warm out today, so maybe it's getting dizzy. But I thought about doing some funny things like this. Or just some different things. Or maybe blindfolded. That stuff's silly. This poor shirt. It's covered with spit. But it was headed for the trash anyways. So getting chilled. Throat's getting scratchy. If I sit back, I won't sneeze as much. That would be good. That seemed to trigger more. Oh, God. gosh. Oh, man. We're up to 5 minutes of sneezing. Ugh. I'm not going to be able to stand up. I'll have to lie down after this one. I can remember growing up seeing people sneeze on TV, like shows where people had allergies. And I remember Gilligan's Island, where they all were allergic to Gilligan, basically. And even though I knew it was fake, so it was television, I kind of like that, with the girls sneezing. I don't know. But I say too much. Oh. People ask for multiples, so that's when I'm going to try this again. You only got 2. Oh. My eyes are watering. If I wore makeup, it'd be all over. I've never worn makeup ever. So. I had somebody request to do a shirtless sneeze, but I don't know, should I? Alright, I'll do one. Ah. This feels good, actually, because it's warm in the apartment. There's somebody I discovered online. If you go to I'm gonna sneeze so many times, that's all I'll say, you'll be pleased. Because this person sneezes a lot, and just trying to help out the channel. But I'm not giving any names out, just I'm gonna sneeze so many times. I lost count a long time ago. It's probably 50, 40. Ow. My poor throat. Oh. I'll put my shirt back on. Maybe that'll look cool. Well, I don't know. It's not that it was getting cold, it's just I didn't want the whole thing to be without a shirt. Why? Somebody's saying. You do this. We are at 11 minutes of sneezing. That's great. We'll go to 12 and then I'll probably cut it off because I don't want to use up all my data. My gosh. Thank God for this shirt, right? And the pollen and the high humidity outside is doing quite a job. And we're just about at 12, so I want to thank you again for watching. You guys are great, everyone in the sneeze community. And we'll talk to you later. One for the road. I'll make it loud. Okay. See you next time.